let's make some sourdough. So, I made 10 loaves yesterday, and today I'm gonna make 4 more and some cinnamon rolls. That's too much. Wait, no it's not, just kidding. So this loaf I'm making 2 jalapeno cheddar loaves. There we go. Whee! So I have been making sourdough for 3 years. I started my own starter just because I was bored one day and thought that I could do it. And yeah, now I've been playing with it ever since. And I decided to start selling them out of my house. And so this is the whole process of that. I am a very socially awkward person, and so this is getting me out of my comfort zone and trying to talk to y'all and share my little bit of knowledge with sourdough. And yeah, I have a 6-year-old daughter at home, and my husband owns his own business. He owns a pressure washing company. I also sell insurance and do this. Yes, baby?
What do you do?
I'm making a video. Is that alright? Yeah. I think yesterday and today were probably the most loaves that I have made at one time. So yesterday I made 10 loaves of bread, and then today I'm making 4 more, plus cinnamon rolls. So that's gonna be like 14 rolls plus 3 orders of cinnamon rolls. So take 1 batch of cinnamon rolls and I can make 3 orders out of it. If there's any type of loaf that y'all are interested in seeing, I am testing out a bunch of different recipes right now, so that would be fun to do. I tried a raspberry lemonade focaccia, and that was delish.